This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the data structure so the chart renders correctly. First, make sure key columns are typed as date, choice, or number. Charts rely on that. Once done, create a view that filters and groups the exact records you want to visualize, because charting on a focused view prevents clutter. Also confirm you have edit permissions. Without them, you cannot add or configure a chart. Now that prerequisites and the initial view are ready, move to chart creation. You add the chart from the View toolbar using the Chart command in Modern Lists. If you don't see it, choose Format View and enable charting. Next, pick the chart type that matches your goal: column for comparisons, line for trends, pie for distributions, because the wrong type hides patterns. Then assign the x-axis and the aggregation for the y value, for example, sum of sales or count of items. Make sure to bucket dates or group values so the chart reads clearly and highlights the right insight. You finish by saving the chart and optionally pinning it to a SharePoint page or dashboard for stakeholders. Once saved, refresh the list to confirm real-time updates. If numbers look off, recheck aggregations and source column types because text stored in number columns breaks counts. If the chart doesn't appear, make sure the list uses the modern experience, clear your browser cache, and verify you still have edit rights. Finally, adjust date buckets or groupings to improve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.